Let me explain how I ended up with this giant jackfruit. It all started when we decided to take the girls to meet their great-grandmother. She lives in Alston, which is North Clarendon. Very beautiful. So I decided to do my usual walking around to appreciate the country. There were all kinds of trees and just lush vegetation. But then something caught my eye. My curiosity is getting the better of me. I cannot help it. I have to take a closer look at it. No, it wasn't the jackfruit as yet. It was this marijuana plant that you could smell even before you saw it. I continued my tour and the place and the vibes just felt so peaceful to me. We saw guava, lime, and yes, behold, the
jackfruit.
Tina and the girls are really the ones who love jackfruit in the house. So we asked our farmer friend to chop it and we got it. Oh, nice. And that marked the end of our lovely trip to Alston, Clarendon. But special shout out to the creator of this video, Eden Reed, who was doing such a good job holding the camera for me.